What kind of spider is this guy? It looks kind of like a jumper. I thought it was a giant jumper. It was in my screen door. She's really inquisitive and not acting like aggressive at all. I pick up jumpers no problem. They don't bite you. They can bite you, but they don't really. I've never been bit by one. And she looks like a giant jumper. I'll put my finger kind of close if I can. No, just don't worry about my finger there. Oh, that's not giving her a good size reference. She's about an inch. Here's my vape. Whoa. She's just trying to climb right on it. Oh, she is so freaking cool. Man, this is a cool spider. I'm not sure what it is. I don't want you to come on me, sweetie. I don't know what you are. You look cool. You look like a jumper. Why are you coming towards me? Okay, I'm not gonna mess with you. I see your little things. That's so cool. Hopefully I'm picking this up because I'm watching this spider and not video. Don't come near me. You're crazy. I think you're beautiful, but I don't know if you bite. Gonna drink some water. Now you keep trying to come towards my foot. I don't want you near my foot. No, go away from my